Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the TP-Link Deco S4 mesh Wi-Fi system quickly and easily. If you're looking to improve your home Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones, this step-by-step guide will help you get everything connected and running smoothly. Let's get started and enjoy seamless whole home Wi-Fi coverage. 1. Get the Deco app. Scan the QR code below or go to Google Play or the App Store to download the Deco app. Install the app on your Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. 2. Log in or sign up with TP-Link ID. Open the app and log in with your TP-Link ID. If you don't have a TP-Link ID, create one first. Note, if you forgot your login password, tap Forgot Password. The app will help you reset your password. 3. Select your Deco model. Search for and select your Deco model. If you have more than one Deco model, tap the question below the search box to check how to maximize the overall network. 5. Wait until Deco's LED pulses blue. Wait until Deco's LED pulses blue, then connect your phone/tablet to the Deco's Wi-Fi using the default SSID printed on the product label. 6. Specify your Deco's location. Select or custom a location for your Deco. The location will be used as the name of your Deco. 7. Connect your Deco to the Internet. Select the Internet connection type and enter the information. If you are not sure, contact your Internet service provider. 8. Create your Wi-Fi network. Set a network name and a password. These will be the name and password you use to connect your devices to Wi-Fi. 9. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Connect your phone/tablet to the Deco's Wi-Fi. 10. Setup complete. Your Deco network is now up. You can connect your devices to the Deco network. You can also plug in the other included DECOs, and they will automatically join the network within 2 minutes. If you're unable to set up your TP-Link Deco S4 mesh Wi-Fi system or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.